So it's time for the first oil change on that new Honda you purchased a couple of months ago. Which oil are you going to go with for the life of that machine? Well, the short answer is you can look in your owner's manual and it's going to tell you which one that they best advise to go with. And I guarantee it's probably going to be this one right here. But there are other options you may want to consider depending on how you're using your machine. Now, if you're wanting to get more distance in between changes, you may want to go to that semi-synthetic. You're heading to the racetrack with it, you may want to go with the full synthetic. Now this guy in the middle, you need to be a little bit careful with because it has moly built into it, and that is designed for, well, a dry clutch application. And when I say dry clutch application, I mean the clutch is outside of the transmission and the oil that clutch is flying in. So it's probably going to be a CVT type application. Now the other consideration that you want to take in is what temperature range are you running your machine? Are you in a cold environment or are you in a warmer environment? Now that same owner's manual, it's going to give you a range and a type and weight of oil that you want to aim for that best suits those needs. So you really need to take a look at that manual before you make a decision. Now you also want to consider further down the road, Honda has a full line of different oils and cleaners and chemicals. I mean, everything that you're going to need to keep your machine in top running performance. You've lost your manual. You can't find any information on it. Which weight oil do you need to go with? Well, in my expert opinion, you are safe to go with a 40 weight if you're in a warmer environment down south. If you're up north, you'll want to switch over to the 30 weight. Your split point is going to be at that magic 32 degrees. Now, if you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call. One of our techs in the service center, they can guide you in the right direction. And as always, we are here for you, so give us a call.